All right, everyone, buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into a sea of AI and robotics news this week. And let me tell you, the water's feeling particularly warm.
Definitely feeling that heat. It's amazing to see just how much is happening in such a short span of time.
Right. So this week we're swimming through a whole bunch of exciting updates and partnerships. And I gotta say, some of these are pretty mind-blowing.
Totally agree. The pace of innovation is incredible, and it feels like we're on the verge of some really transformative changes.
Okay, so first up, OpenAI has been making some big waves, and we're going to ride those waves for a bit.
Sounds good to me.
First, they launched this thing called Canvas, and it's basically like giving you the paintbrush to ChatGPT's Kansas, right? You can literally go in and edit what the AI spits out, make it exactly what you want.
Yeah, that's huge because it makes AI so much more user-friendly. It's not just about the AI doing its own thing anymore. It's about us working with it, shaping the output.
It's like having a conversation with the AI, but like a really productive one where you both walk away happy.
Exactly. And speaking of happy, developers are jumping for joy right now because OpenAI also dropped some big news at their Dev Day.
Dev Day, huh? Sounds like a party for, well, devs. What went down there?
Oh, just some casual things like making AI development way more affordable. They introduced prompt caching, which is a game changer for cutting down those AI usage costs.
Okay, hold on. Explain it to me like I only understand emojis because honestly, some days that's where I'm at.
Think of it like this. Instead of paying for every single prompt you give the AI, you can now store and reuse them, which means you save a ton of money.
Whoa, okay, that's a lot of money bags turning into
Right.
whatever that red symbol is. But point taken. I mean, that's got to be a game changer for smaller companies and independent developers, right? Suddenly, AI development doesn't seem like this exclusive club for the tech giants anymore.
Right. And when you lower the barrier to entry like that, who knows what kind of amazing innovations we'll see.
Innovation. Speaking of which, let's talk about robots. Serve Robotics and Wing are teaming up to basically become the ultimate delivery dream team.
Oh, this one's cool. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, except it's happening right now.
Right. Robots bringing your food to the curb, then drones swooping in to airlift it straight to your door. I mean, come on, how cool is that?
It's not just about being cool, though. It's actually incredibly efficient. This kind of technology has the potential to revolutionize logistics and urban planning. Imagine cities designed with drone delivery in mind.
No traffic jams, just a symphony of drones delivering everything from packages to pizzas.
Exactly. And while we're on the topic of robots changing the game, we got to talk about atom limbs. They've developed a next-level bionic arm that's seriously impressive.
Oh, yeah, I saw something about this. It's not just some clunky metal arm, right? This thing's like insanely dexterous.
It's true. The V2 bionic arm is all about precision and control. It's incredible to see how far robotics has come in terms of creating devices that can seamlessly integrate with the human body.
It really gives a whole new meaning to the phrase, lending a helping hand. And it also makes me think of another company we discussed, Figure, who are building those humanoid robots.
Yeah, and both Figure and atom limbs are part of this bigger trend, right? They're pushing the boundaries of what robots can do and how they can be used to augment human capabilities.
It's like we're stepping into a future where robots aren't just our helpers, but extensions of ourselves. Kind of wild when you think about it.
It is wild. And speaking of wild, Meta's been busy cooking up something pretty mind-blowing themselves. Have you heard about MovieGen?
MovieGen. Is that like AI-generated movies? Because honestly, I feel like I've heard that song before.
Yeah, but this is different. We're not just talking about AI making entire movies. This is about AI with crazy good video editing skills, like Hollywood-level editing.
Oh, okay, now you've got my attention. Because editing is everything in a movie. A good editor can make or break a film.
Exactly, and this is where MovieGen comes in. Imagine the possibilities for filmmakers. It's like having a digital assistant that can understand your vision and help you bring it to life on screen.
I'm seeing dollar signs for Meta and for filmmakers everywhere. It could totally change the game in terms of storytelling and production.
Totally. And while Meta's revolutionizing video editing, Microsoft's busy developing your new AI best friend.
Oh, tell me more. This sounds juicy.
So imagine a souped-up version of ChatGPT, but like way cooler. This is Copilot, your very own AI companion.
Okay, I'm picturing a little robot buddy who follows me around and finishes my sentences. Is that close?
Not quite a robot buddy, but yeah, in a way, Copilot is designed to be with you all the time, helping
Right.
you with tasks, answering your questions, and even predicting what you need before you need it.
Whoa, okay, that's next level. So it's kind of like having an AI assistant that's so in tune with you, it's practically reading your mind.
Basically. It raises all sorts of fascinating questions about how AI will integrate into our lives. It reminds me of that MIT project, Future You, where they use AI to simulate conversations with your older self.
Okay, wait, back up. Conversations with your older self, how does that even work?
It's pretty wild. They use AI to analyze your past behavior, beliefs, and values, and then create a simulated version of you years from now. It's designed to help you gain perspective on your life choices and maybe even make better decisions in the present.
That's both really cool and kind of terrifying at the same time. It's like, what if future me is a total disappointment to present me?
Right. It makes you think about the ethical implications of this kind of technology. But, hey, at least your AI companion won't judge you for eating that extra slice of pizza.
True that. Speaking of AI and judging, or rather, not judging, let's talk about what Liquid AI has been up to. They've been making headlines for building LFMs that are giving the big players a run for their money.
Oh, yeah. Liquid AI is definitely one to watch. The fact that they're achieving such impressive results with their LFMs is a big deal. It shows that innovation in AI isn't just limited to a handful of companies anymore.
So it's like a David versus Goliath situation, but in the world of AI. I love it.
It is. And the best part is that this competition is ultimately beneficial for everyone. It pushes everyone to innovate faster, which means we all benefit from more powerful and sophisticated AI in the long run.
And it seems like investors are catching on to this whole AI revolution thing because OpenAI just got a massive influx of cash.
Yeah, talk about putting your money where your mouth is. That $6.6 billion funding round is a pretty clear indication that people are betting big on AI.
It's not just a gamble anymore, is it? It's like the entire future is being built on AI, and we're just here along for the ride.
Buckle up, because this ride is just getting started.
Well, on that note, I think we've covered a lot of ground today. From user-friendly AI tools to robot delivery dream teams and AI companions that can practically read our minds, it's clear that the future is closer than we think.
Absolutely. And it's a future filled with both exciting possibilities and some pretty big questions. How will these technologies continue to evolve? And how will they shape our world and our lives?
Those are definitely some things to ponder. And we'll be right here with you every step of the way, unpacking it all and trying to make sense of this crazy, amazing world of AI.
Until next time.
See ya.